Do you want to drive pretty much unlimited traffic from Google? And no, it's not what you're thinking. I'm going to explain to you exactly what this method is. It's something you probably haven't heard of. It's coming up in my review of Catalyst. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill by now. Yeah, go ahead and skip ahead. My jokes, they're really stale. I mean, they're bad. There's just no two ways about it. You know, they're not even as stale as dad jokes, and I'm not a dad. Go figure. But anyway, but seriously, if you're new to the channel, wait to hear two things. If you talk about info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. That guy, I'm telling you, he's so annoying. You know, he and Bart from The Simpsons and that crazy guy from some movie who talks about loving crap, they take turns, but they're all full of it. Okay, nobody wants the crap. Seriously, nobody. So seriously though, if you're new to the channel, with these work here, if I like your product, we'll give it to match the product great. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a live video here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz. And I see Liz, she is a sweetheart. I can't say anything bad about her. I mean, she's a fellow New Yorker. You know, oh, she's me, my fellow New Yorker. I no longer live in New York. I now live in Pennsylvania, but you know, I'm an honorary New Yorker. I was born and raised in New York City. Yeah, forget about it. But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon, be notified when I drop new videos. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Because we're looking right now at the sales page for Catalyst. Now, this is a new course from my friends Robin Palmer and Frankly Pellegrino. Now, basically, Catalyst is a course and software combined, which is going to teach you a brand new method for driving traffic online. Now, the way they're going to do this is through what's called SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. Basically, the idea is to get Google to recommend you when people search for something, which is a really, really cool method of doing things. The only thing is that SEO usually is really, really tough to do, just because you have to put in a ton of work in order to be able to make SEO work for you. I used to do SEO for a living all the time, and I kind of got out of it because it got harder and harder and harder to actually make any money from SEO. Because of the fact that there is so much competition, it gets much more difficult to rank in Google. Now, what's cool is that these guys came up with a specific hack that is actually going to make it super easy to rank in Google. What they're doing is they're actually using press releases. Now, press release is a type of an article. You probably have seen them if you don't know what they really are. It's a type of an article that gets sent out to newspapers and news websites, things like that. And basically, with this press release, you're telling people, hey, there's something really cool going on with my company. There's this new product that we came out with, whatever it is, you can come up with whatever you want. And they're going to teach you how to do that, by the way, inside of the course, exactly how to write a good press release. It's not as hard as you may think it is. It's actually super simple. Now, I do want to tell you about my customers before I continue, because there's more to tell you about with this product. I want to talk about the customers because it has to do with these press releases. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to actually give you a set of 15,000 articles that you can use as content for your press releases. Basically, this will give you a head start, so you don't have to write it completely from scratch, which is what they're going to recommend to you. I'm going to tell you, you don't have to do that. You're going to get 15,000 articles from me you can use to write your press releases and actually start using them to get a head start. But I'm not done yet. I'm also going to hand you a set of images that you can use as custom images with your press release. Now, why is this important? Because you do want to include an image with your press release. The thing is that a lot of people, what they do is they'll simply go and pick an image off of the web and say, here's an image. And the trouble with that is that those images are copyrighted and you don't have the legal right to use those images. That's why I'm giving you a set of images that are actually licensed, that you have the right to use them. Okay, it's all going to be included. And by the way, right now it's going for around $12. It is on a dime sale, so the price will keep going up. You can see here on the front page, CAT5 off is a coupon code that you can use. Make sure you do it all caps. It does not work if you don't do it all caps. So make sure you use the all caps version of this coupon code in order to do it. Now, I do want to tell you they do have an exit pop-up as well. Let me go ahead and show that to you real quick.
Hi, my name is Robin Palmer, and let me show you the result.
Stop that from speaking. So it is going to show you this. Now, here's the thing. This is going to give you $3 off no matter what. But the catch is that the coupon code does not work when you use it, when you use this deal. So unless it's gotten to be more than let's see, $21 on the dime sale, it's not worth using this trick to get the discount. You're going to be better off using CAT5 off, again, all caps, in order to get a better discount, which right now is coming out to about $12.05 as I'm recording this video. So basically, the way it works like this, they're going to teach you how to actually go ahead and create your press releases very, very easily. They're going to show you some free resources. Again, you're going to get from me a set of ready-made articles that you can use as content for your press releases. You're going to want to edit them slightly, but you don't have to start completely from scratch. You're also going to get ready-made graphics that you can use, images that you can use for your press release. It's going to be a very big time saver for you because you don't have to go and buy an image. Usually you have to buy the images individually. You're going to get them completely for free from me. Now, if you pick up the entire funnel, this is something that I haven't done for anybody in a long time because it is very time consuming for me. But pick up the entire funnel, all the upgrades from me, and I'm actually going to write a custom press release for you. You're just going to tell me what you want it to be about, and I will write it for you completely, totally from scratch. I am an expert writer. I typically charge $500 to write a press release. You are going to get it completely for free from me that I'm going to write the press release for you. Now, I do want to tell you, they also have another thing here, which is really, really cool. In addition to getting you the details on how this works, you're actually going to go ahead and also get software that's going to automate the entire process of ranking your press release. So you create your press release, but then you got to rank it. They'll teach you how to do that, but then they're also going to give you software that's going to automate the process of doing the whole thing for you. So that's why I think this is really, really cool, because otherwise it could take a long time to do this. They do have an unlimited upgrade. It's the first upgrade that's going to get you unlimited access to this software so that you can do everything as much as you want. Keep cranking out the press releases, keep ranking them. It uses a specific method that I'm not going to talk about because I don't want to give away all their secrets. They don't even mention on the sales page that they use press releases, but I figure that at least is worth telling you about, that they do use press releases, but I don't want to give away everything, obviously, in my review, because otherwise there wouldn't be any point in you buying the product, would it be? But basically, it also has to do with creating press releases. Again, you're going to get ready-made content from me that you can use for your press releases. Plus, you're also going to get ready-made graphics. Pick up all the upgrades from me, and I will write your press release, which is a $500 actual cost. That's what I charge people to write press releases. You're going to get the actual, you're going to get it for free from me when you pick up all the upgrades to this product. So let's see if I'm going to go ahead and give a tip match to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you're the man. I really do like this a lot. Me and the man in the bowler hat behind me, we both give a tip of our hat. He will give a tip of his hat if he could actually do this, but unfortunately, he is just a painting. But yeah, go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love this.